In this video, I'm going to show you the blog posting feature inside of ClickFunnels 2.0, the updated version for 2024. They did just make some changes to the site, so I want to make sure you're aware of where everything is and how to set it up. Now, I got to say, I just did my first blog. I've been building inside of ClickFunnels 2.0 for a while now. I feel very comfortable in it, but I didn't approach the blog just because there was always a little confusion for me. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's going to save you a lot of time. We're going to jump into my screen. I'm going to do a screen share. I'm going to show you exactly how I set it up. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to be able to set it up in like 5 to 10 minutes. So super fast, super easy. Let's check it out. The first thing you want to do when you want to find your blog, it's going to be inside your site. So this is where you're going to build your blog, the specific page that you have. So I have one blog post that I just put in there right now is a soap opera sequence, and then I'll show you how to load your blog post right there. So we'll just take a click on this and take a look. Something you'll be able to add some image, a quick summary. And I think this is for SEO purposes. I can't find any data on it, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that's for SEO. I'm not an SEO guy. I'm more of a funnel guy. SEO is a form of traffic. But here's the blog post. We'll actually take a view of it right here. And so the image is up here. This is going to be, elements that you put in there. You put your video, and there's going to be a little sidebar here, and this is part of the template. So the right side here, that's going to be part of the template. Your header, that's going to be part of your template, and then all the way down here in the bottom, that template. So these are going to be templates that are going to be part of your blog, and I'll show you how to edit those. You don't edit that at the blog page level. You edit that at the blog template level, and they're different, and it can be tricky to find it. So I'm going to show you where that is as well. So this is where you would edit everything for your blog. Your titles, subtitles, any other content you want to put in here. I put in my affiliate link for the .com Secrets book because it's what we're talking about here, the soap opera sequence, and it's popularized in this book. Same thing. So it's just a quick blog. What I did was I took an existing blog and I had AI rewrite it for me, and then I just put it here. It could go deeper, but I can go deeper on this, and I want to extend the article a little bit, but for the sake of saving time, I just want to get it done now, and I'll come back later when I have more time or resources to pay somebody to make it better. So right now it's just about getting it done. Done is the new perfect. We're going to get that done, and now we're moving on. So I think that's such an important concept when you're working inside of ClickFunnels because it can get overwhelming. But once you get everything down, it really is quite simple. So if you want to create a new blog, you're just going to click up here, new blog post. You can give it a title, and I'm not going to put a featured image. I can, but I'm not going to edit any of that. And you can put the author there if you want. There's other places you can put the author, but just create the post. And then now you'll have a draft, and then what you have to do is click back in it after it's been created. You can do some more editing over here. Like I said, you can do the image, your SEO, change the title. But this is where you're gonna make your blog as far as design it how you want, like you would a funnel page. So I really like the designer that they have, for the funnel, and also here in the blog. Like I was saying, it's like the same thing. So you would just add a section, and then you can add, blank section, one column, then you just headline, subheadline, paragraph, and just edit the way you would with any other page. Always save early, save often. Let me close this. Now I'm going to show you how to edit the template, like how it looks on the outside, like I was showing you earlier. So we're going to go to overview. It's still in the site, so your blog is within your site, and it's so crazy because it is hidden. And then so you have to go to site, you have to go to overview, and then you have to edit the site. And then we're going to go to blog home over here on the left. That's the blog home, so you can change that any way you want. Actually, I want to view mine. So, okay, so I have some things there. I have to update that. I have to figure out what that is. But if I go to blog post, so this is the template. So up here, it's going to automatically, this is what the template will look like. So whatever title you post, it's going to auto text the title right there, auto input. Whatever image you have for your blog topic, it's going to go right there. This is part of the template, so this will show up on every blog page. I would change it here at this level, at this blog post level within the site editing section. It's hard to explain, but just follow the instructions that I gave you there. And then down here, same thing. So you could edit the footer that you have there. Okay. So if you want, more instruction on how to edit everything, I did put a tutorial in uh, on YouTube, so you can watch that. I'll either throw it up here on a card or it's on the screen here. This is how my page looks. So here's the title of the blog article. Here's the image that I use. There's the video element that I put in. I pasted Russell's video from Russell Brunson. This is all this, the copy that I put my affiliate link there. This is an offer for my OFA offer. This is another affiliate offer that I have, so I put that there. So there you have it. It's, don't have to get fancy with it. It's actually pretty easy. I was pretty happy with the process. So, get in there and try it, and can't wait to read your blog. Hey, so that's it for the blog post video. If I missed anything, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them for you, or make a second follow-up video just to answer any questions. If you want personalized help, or you just have some questions about your funnel, which direction you're going, strategy, things like that, what's the right blueprint for you, I do offer free consultations. The link should be down below in the description. Go ahead and click that link. It's a 15-minute free, no obligation consultation. We just talk about your funnel, what you're doing. Maybe you just have some questions. A lot of times it's just like a couple questions you need to answer, and it relieves a roadblock and you can move forward. So if you have any questions, feel free. Go ahead and click the link. Go ahead and click the link, and I'll see you on the call. Peace.